Suomi, Finland, our trip into the wild. As usual, we are looking to stay in nature, and at this time we stay at a mökki in Suomussalmi, a place without running water, electricity or internet, and that is just wonderful. Try it. We start to Helsinki, then went up to Suomussalmi where we stay for a while, and then go back following the coast again to Helsinki. Let's go. Hello, il est où le neige? Family and a trip in Suomi, Finland.
The witch, the rider, the angel. Artist. Nomad. Family.
La famille en balade. Maman aussi, c'était joli.
Mami,
Ja.
Lorena.
For this trip we only takes photos, and Misha makes a book of it. I love it. And this time of the year we had a really wonderful weather. It was also for the people there something like too hot, but for us we were quite happy. For us onward to see this little restaurant and places was quite strange. We didn't waited for that. That's quite interesting when you go outside of your country or what you know. It was like little houses middle of nowhere, and you got dry toilet. That's quite unusual for us. We also stopped for art and different museum we have seen on the world. And then nature. It's so beautiful. You got water everywhere, trees, and really, wow, amazing. Of course, Angel and I went a lot to the water. And we play also, have done some crazy photos. I know where we used to stay on this mökki. Mökki is this little wood house. We met sometimes some people with fishing, and they give us some fish. That's really great. Place where we stay for a while. Angel have done a painting of it. This little mökki. Just there alone, middle of the wood, near the water that we can drink and wash our clothes or wash ourselves with a sauna, dry toilet, and even and a fridge, underground fridge. Of course, lots of wood, because even if there was summer there, up to the north, it's quite cold. It's quite interesting for us also that there is not night really. And in the nature we find some fruits and some little herbs that we can use for the kitchen. Just simple things. It was really good. And in the morning the wood were quite mystic. When we were on the road there wasn't so much car or traffics, but quite a lot of these spatial animals that just went on the street like this, like do their way. And on the coast we have seen this kind of dune with a lot of sand. It's quite spatial. This bicycle was quite funny. We also find this way to sleep. It's not typical Suomi or Finland. And at the end, before to go back to Switzerland, we just stayed at a really old hotel, quite spatial. That remembers a bit the shiny film.